how to customize your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can edit your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, what is chart of accounts? Chart of accounts is basically the list of accounts that you have, basically all the accounts and the type of accounts that you have. There's a list of it over here, as you can see, and this is the chart of accounts, as you can see right here. If you come into accountings and click on chart of accounts, you will see that these are all the accounts that you have, and you can even see them in the report sections as well in different categories. As you can see, you have favorite, you have business overview, you have who owns who, you have sales and customers, expenses and supplies and employees, all of that, right? So this is basically your chart of accounts is the list of all of your accounts that you can have. Now, how do you edit it? Well, there are a couple of ways that you can edit it. First up, let's take a look at how QuickBooks sorts your account. So by default, it's going to sort them by type, right? As you can see right here. Then you have your expenses, and then you have your income and cost of sales. And that's how it basically sorts your accounts. Now you can change that by just simply choosing different types by clicking on names. Let's sort them by name, detail type, or QuickBook balance account, or bank balance, whatever you want, right? You can sort them all like that. And the other thing that you can do is you can change the name. So if you click on the batch edit button right here, you can go ahead and change all of their names right here. And you can't change their types right here. To change the types, what you'll have to do is you have to go into individually. So right here, as you can see, this is the bank account, right? So I'll just simply click on this little arrow button underneath actions and click on edit. You can even connect a bank to it, but for now we'll just simply click on edit, and it's going to open up this little box right here, as you can see. Now over here you can change the account type. Over here you can change the name, you can add a description, you can add the detail type and the detail over here. You can even add, is this a sub account or not? If you click on is a sub account, then you choose which sub account you want. So you want account receivable, allowance, or inventory category, goodwill, whatever it is, you can make it a sub account. So for example, let's make this a sub account. Let's just make it a sub account, for example, cash and cash equivalents, right? Like this is just an example, of course it's not, but just to give you an example. So balance as of, so we add in the balance, let's say 1,000 or 10,000, and then just simply click on save. Now what's gonna happen is, let's just say it over here. Now over here, as you can see, at first it was at the top, right? Like the bank was at the top, and then it went back into the third place because now it is a sub account of cash and cash equivalent, and we have added the balance. So if we wanted to change the balance of, let's say, cash and cash equivalent, we click on edit, we add in the balance right here. As you can see, we can't change it because the main balance is in the bank account. We can change that as well. Now let's go into reports section and see how it looks over here. Okay, I actually don't know. I'm sorry about that. This is not where we were supposed to come. So once you've added that, that's how one ways you can actually, customize your chart of accounts. There's another way that you can do it. So the other way to do it is by coming over here and clicking on this gear icon right here, the settings icon, and going into account and settings. Now over here, wait for it, it's going to pop down. Over here, go into the advanced option right here, and over here you will see chart of accounts, enable account numbers, right? This is another way that you can customize them and see all of the stuff, right? And see which account number is associated with which. So over here, you turn it on and click on show account numbers. So you click on show account numbers and you click on save, and you close this. Then you're gonna see it's gonna load up over here, and then you're gonna see another row where you have different account numbers, and now you can go ahead and sort them as well. So now over here you're going to see all the accounts and the type of accounts sorted by their numbers. So starting from 1,000 to 110 and all of that. So you can actually now, once you, let's say services, you click on this icon and go into edit, Now over here, you can add the number as well. So let's say 1001, right? This was the service, this was the name, and it's an income, right? We're gonna change the service, the name of this to something else. And you can even, as I said before, make it a sub account of whatever you want. So it all depends on you. So actually, let's do that. We can, make it a sub account of either retail, wholesale, or discount, or sale of product income. It all depends on you. And we're going to choose, actually, let's choose it for retail. Yeah. And click on save and continue. And then once it's saved, boom, you're good to go. Then let's go ahead and take a look. As you can see right here, 1001 sales income. Then we can even, so that's one way that you can do it. Now if you go into reports, right, let's go ahead and view some reports. Let's go ahead and check out accounts. Over here we can see all of the accounts. No, this is not the one. Profits and loss, or bad. Now over here in underneath profit and loss, we can see what type of, accounts are being used. So over here, as you can see, we have sales 1001. As you can see, we have the number over here. This is the amount of income that we're earning. So pretty simple. This is one of the ways that you can actually go ahead and start, customizing your chart of accounts. Now, of course, I imported this data. I didn't make it because it's very hard, takes a lot of time. So I just downloaded it off the internet. But this is generally how you're going to do it. This was what you want. But let me know in the comment sections if you want me to go more in depth, or a specific thing that you want to know about sales of charts as well. But this was generally how you can edit it as well. Like, you can edit it over here. You can customize now the numbers as well by going into the batch edit as well. You can edit the numbers and names of it. But yeah, this is generally how it is. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.